All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Well, this will be a quick video for the Xiaomi Mi A2 owners and Mi 6X owners. These screen protectors will work the same. A lot of guys ask where I get these tempered glass or some screen protectors from, and I just jump on eBay. That's all I do. Now, the one that's on here now is actually not for the phone. It's actually from my Moto E5 Plus. Screen size and was about the same, so I just threw it on there. And this it's cut out a little bit different than this one, so I'm gonna peel this off. I got two of these for $1.52, folks. I have a link in the description. I don't know the seller before you ask. It took about 2 weeks to get here, and I'm willing to wait for it because it was so cheap. So I'm just gonna peel that one off and then put this one on. And this one is cut out a little wider before I put this on. See how it's made. This one's cut a little wider because it's made specifically for this phone, but we're gonna get this thing put on here. Now this is a 2.5D glass, so it's not going to cover the entire layout, but this is the best I can do. And it'll seal up, do its thing. Any spots on there that don't seal over, I just normally push them out with a rag, and they'll eventually adhere to the glass, anything. And this one actually went on great. So touch sensitivity is going to be the same, nothing different. But I'm happy these finally came in, because I was using this one, like I said, for the Moto E5 Plus, and you can see it's cut a lot different because it's not made for this phone. But I just wanted to have something on here. So these are, I got, again, two of these for $1.52 shipped free from overseas. It took about 2 weeks to get here, and you know, that's for things like this. You have to spend your money how you want to spend your money. Man, what's my pen? Okay, there we go. You have to spend your money how you want to spend your money. Touch sensitivity is exactly the same. I mean, it's just a thin sheet of glass, and it'll work well with cases and everything like that. So, it's your man Jay Will, Mi A2 owners. This is a quick tempered glass installation for you guys on this beautiful device. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.